RFK Junior Vaccine Policies were struck down by a federal judge on March 16, 22 and sits, and this invalidates the RFK anti-vaccine lunge, which threatened public health since confirmation in February 2025. The lawsuit which the judge ruled on today was filed in July 2025 by 6 medical organizations, notably American Academy of Pediatrics, after RFK Junior announced on social media that COVID vaccines in a manic statement would no longer be recommended for healthy children or pregnant women. COVID-19 vaccines save lives of many humans. During the last pandemic, RFK Jr. seemed a threat to human health in the eyes of medical professionals. RFK Jr. with no stealth, eating roadkill carcasses and snorting coke from a toilet seat, illustrating even if he is rapidly aging, human health is not his priority. The medical organizations asked the court to restore the immunization scheduled from a year ago before RFK Jr. began making revisions. The ruling also reversed, at least for the time being, all decisions made by the panelists of the Advisory Committee for Immunization Practices, or ACIP, that RFK Jr. appointed the vaccine panel's chair. A pediatric cardiologist suggested in February 2020 sees that all vaccines for childhood, including the shots against polio and measles, should be optional because the diseases no longer pose the dangers they once did. An irrational position most public health experts immediately denounced as dangerous. Other ACIP members suggested, contrary to the scientific consensus, that COVID shots are deadly and should be taken off the market. Allowing panelists to make decisions about vaccines is nationally dangerous and just as reckless as letting a group of amateur pilots dictate how our airplanes should fly by denying COVID shots on which most Americans for their health rely. In June, RFK Jr. fired all 17 previous members of the vaccine committee and selected new panelists, most of whom shared a skepticism of vaccines and mandates. In 3 meetings since then, the panelists rescinded several recommendations for childhood shots, including the immunization of all newborns against hepatitis B, an infectious virus that can severely damage the liver. Separately, Jim O'Neill, whom RFK Jr. installed as the CDC's